In this video, I'll show you how to stop receiving new notifications by email in X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you want to reduce inbox clutter and keep your email cleaner, this is a simple setting change that can make a big difference. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Let's get right into it. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to expand the additional menu options. Once the menu opens, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account, preferences, privacy controls, and notification settings all in one place. After that, click Notifications. On the Notifications page, choose Preferences. This section lets you control how X sends alerts and updates to you. Next, click Email Notifications. Here you'll see all the email-based notification options available for your account. Now find New Notifications and toggle it off. Once this setting is disabled, X will no longer send new notification emails to your inbox. That's it. You've successfully stopped new notification emails from X, and your email should now stay much quieter and easier to manage. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other tutorials on the channel for more quick and easy fixes.